yeah, that's it, boys. We are finally changed the cold air intake, and I'm super excited for this mod, dude, because my cold air intake, I show you guys before, but I'll show you more details here. If you are new to the channel, I have a AFE cold air intake. I had this thing for probably like the last 2 years though, but now it's time for something new. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. I'm Maddie here as always. So if you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. Here you get a lot of car content in general, but mainly on my Colorado and my Corvette. And today we are working on the Colorado. But before we go ahead, make sure to head to Hard Work Force, because we are giving away a drone, a GoPro Hero 10 bundle, and this week only, we are throwing on the same package a pair of headlights, exactly like mine, but mine's custom. So the one you are getting, it's black, and you just need to do one thing. Just go to the website, buy any merch. You can buy hoodies, you can buy hats, you can buy mugs, you can buy speakers, you can buy, man, it's loaded. So it's the best time if you want to buy somebody a gift, so you get a chance to enter for the giveaway. If you have a Chevy Colorado, this video is for you, but this week giveaway, you get 5-time entries and also a chance to win the headlights, the GoPro, and the drone. All right, you have many different options as far as cold air intake goes, right? So as you guys know, as I just said, I have AFE. I want to try something different, and that's why I went with SAB. This one is specific for Chevy Colorado. So, and the main reason why I went with this one, we're gonna do an unbox. I did an unbox just to check if everything came with the kit, but it's because this one, instead of that one, instead of having the shield like we have here, we have the entire box, which this one here, it's metal. That's why, I don't know if you can see there, rusted out, so it's shaking like crazy. This one, it's like a hard plastic thing, but you're gonna see when I start installing, right? The first thing we need to do, I need to take the old one out, and then we're gonna open it up, the new one, and compare both and see. And then I'm gonna talk also how good and how bad it was having a cold air intake, and I hope this one it's a little better because it has a couple of features that that one doesn't. That's what I'm saying, like I need a new one. Look at how bad it was. Look, and this thing here, that was exactly what I was hearing when the car was idling, because this thing sits like this and was, you know, with the vibration. Look at how bad it is. Look, it has been 3 years that I have this on the truck, and look at this. And it was started rusting out here. Those upper parts, they were fine. The filter needs like some cleanup, but it overall wasn't bad. But my main concern was like that part, because coming here, I clean. Look, you see how rust was there? I'm gonna remove that too, but I cleaned it. Here was so filthy. Now it's like brand new again. I got some rust on those clamps too. A lot of people don't like that cold air intake because you get rid of the cover. I don't mind. To be honest, I don't like the cover. I like to see the engine, but that's me. Maybe you like to see the cover. Now I'm gonna open the new one and we're gonna compare both. But look at that crappy one. Oh my god. I don't know. Never buy a AFE for Colorados though, because this shield is pretty crappy. When it's new, it's fine, but if you leave it like where I live, you get like bad winter. I don't know if that's the filter for you. This one, it's kind of, it's a plastic, so it's not gonna rust it as that one. So I was going to powder coat this, but I can't because it's plastic. So but it's overall, I love the quality though. This is basically what the kit comes with, right? All the clamps, the tubes, the connections, and that was the main difference between both. This one has this this box that the filter goes inside, and this one you have the option. You see, you have this opener here. You have this cover that you can put on or you can leave off for more airflow. That's totally up to you. Of course, more airflow sometimes means more power, but I don't think we are getting, if you are getting 10 horsepower more of it, doesn't matter which one, that's fine. We don't have a truck to go fast, right? But I like this option though. I might test both, but at first I'm gonna put the cover on. Okay, the instructions for the new one, the SAB, they show you how to remove the stock one, right? The stock cold air intake. I didn't have to do it because I had aftermarket. So you can use a 17mm to help you with it. The second thing we need to do is to remove the sensor, right? This is the AFE one. So this is normally on your stock one. So you remove it from here. It should come out like this. And we're gonna put it on the new one. See, the holes should line up perfect. The box comes with a couple of seals, right? One being here, the other one being there. They go here. More to go. This one here. Okay. So this one here. Those are the bolts that comes with. So we just tied it up a little bit and that's it. Forgot to mention is I still have this is a stock one, right? So you need those, I think it's called pins. They go here, right? So you need to put on the new one. It goes on those bushings that I show you guys, right? And should be it. We are coming to the truck. Don't forget to unplug the battery because you can get a check engine light if you keep the battery there. Box should fit right in. This is how the box is sitting. You just need to make sure you see that lines up with that vent there, and the two, it's too dark, but it's the same. You're gonna attach the same place that you remove the stock one, and dude, this is gonna look so much better already. So I can leave it like this and it's already better. Now comes the tube number 1. There you go. Now we're gonna work on the throttle body. Alright, with the throttle body in, we're gonna put this other tube. What I like to do is make sure that the screw that you need to tie, it's facing this way. To here, all right, and then this one goes here. There's this rubber seal. You need to press like this. You're just gonna place in place. So much better, so much cleaner. As you guys can see, it's dark outside. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna take for a ride in 2 seconds. I had to put the car outside because I cannot close my garage, but let's take for a ride and I'll give you my final thoughts on it. So cold. So far, it's hard to tell the difference though. Yeah, I can hear it. I think the like noise, it's more clear, if you know what I'm saying. I know this doesn't make sense, but it's basically how I feel. I'm wondering how it's gonna be the gas mileage difference, because the other one was, before putting that one, was 15 and a half, almost 17. Now I'm wondering how this one's gonna do it. Yeah, it sounds a little deeper than the other one. I think because of the box, you cannot hear that much, but you still can hear. The other one you could hear more. The other one you could hear more for sure. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna do like a pull here. It's really hard to do a pull on this truck. I have sport mode on my throttle control, so yeah, it feels solid though. As I said, I feel it's like the other one, it's a little louder, but this one is still, I still like it. I still love it, to be honest. I think the main thing to show here is show that there's no check engine light. They still sounds good here in the cab. I hope you guys can have idea also how my exhaust and cold air intake combination works and sounds from the cab, right? Because a lot of people ask me that. So far I drove here where you saw, and I also drove some, you know, somewhere else. Pretty similar. I think this one, it's a little less noisy, but I love the sound of the other one. Again, the only complaint I have about the AFE, it's the quality. As I said, maybe the technology got better. It's $350. It's worth it. I think it is worth it. You hear more the sound, the combination between that and the exhaust. It's pretty amazing. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next upload with more surprise for the truck. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Also, don't forget to get your entries for the giveaway. You are almost running out of time, right? I'll see you guys next one. Never forget, enjoy your life and work halfway.